Teaching philosophy statement. My concept of learning. What do you mean by learning? A process of learning is to change students' knowledge and new experiences of knowing something new every day. So teaching them something new every day in their life. What happens in a successful learning situation? In a successful situation, there are conditions that need to be met in a learning environment, such as listening to understand what the teacher is explaining, not getting things in a rush, such as being the first person to finish. Students become curious about the topic that needs to be reviewed, and this will keep them to get motivated. So this is what a successful learner will come out to be. Your concepts of teaching. What are your values, beliefs, and aspirations as a teacher? Values as a teacher will be a sense of hope for students, self-learning, respect, and responsibility towards the students. Beliefs as a teacher are the knowledge and understanding of the concept of critical thinking. Aspirations as a teacher are to set up goals for future students in order for them to put an effort in wanting to learn. So this is a new concept for the students to learn, and the way a teacher will be able to teach as a classroom. What does a perfect teaching situation look like to you, and why? To me, a perfect teaching situation looks like as a perfect way of teaching a classroom and comfortable, because as a teacher, you have to teach at least about 15 or more students, and you have to show confidence in what you are about to teach. How are the values and beliefs realized in a classroom? The values and beliefs realized in the classroom activities in creating new concepts, such as students having new ideas based on activity being assigned. So they will be creating their own ideas, and they will come up with as a group, as a class. Your teaching methods. What methods will you consider to reach these goals and objectives? The methods of being able to reach these goals and objectives in the classroom is to take a risk and opportunities to make a value for students to understand with interacting with the students and other teachers that teach the same level. So I will consider on getting along with the same people that teach the same grade, so that way we could get an idea of what to process with students, or like a lesson plan idea. Your interaction with students. How would an observer see you interact with the student? An observer will see you interact with students by engaging, such as having conversation with the students, responding back to the students if they ask a question, and using participation strategies. Why do you want to work with students? I want to work with students because I want to achieve in the students learning something new every day and having an opportunity to achieve teaching effectively and to impact the students' life and them learning something new every day. And in the purpose, as a teacher, you can also learn something new every day. They could show you some new ideas and you'll be like impressed, like wow. Accessing learning. How will you access students' growth and learning? Accessing learning's growth, it is to focus on value in keeping track of each student and how they develop in their learning growth and learning. What are your beliefs about grading? My beliefs about grading are to make sure that student understands what is being taught and assigned for students to get a good grade.